guys. Right, well, we found ourselves trapped because we knew the Hatton Flight here behind me, we knew that was going to be closed during the winter period, but what we didn't realise was that they were going to lock the locks around the corner, which they've done because they suddenly realised they had problems with the water level in that very, very lower pound where the Saltersford Arm is. So that's left us trapped until the 30th, when they're then going to allow people out, but they may relock them again. So as soon as we're out, we're heading back towards Leamington and then slowly back towards Basket, where on the 17th hopefully they'll reopen that section. So we're trapped. So what am I going to do? What am I going to do with my time when I'm trapped between here and here? So we're going nowhere till the 30th, but I can't just drink in the pub. Well, could, but we need to get some constructive stuff done while we're here. Elliot's delivering some firewood today, and I think I've got another task in store that he can help me with. So Elliot brought me some firewood to burn in the multi-fuel stove which he installed, and I sprung a surprise on him. So I decided that since I was trapped between the Saltersford Arm and the pub, we'd make use of some of the time here, and so I'm getting the decking put on the back to make it a little nicer, a little safer, a little nicer, and a little safer. Alright guys, well, as you can see, the stove is keeping us toasty warm on Badger. These fuel stoves, they really work. We're not cold at all on board, and it is cold outside. We went for a water run today and my hands were cold, steering the boat and also filling us up with water. But once you get back on board, nice hot coffee, fuel stoves burning, and everything that we've had delivered in a crate or on a pallet, like the engine, like the fuel stove, the bits that came for the fuel stove, all those wooden crates and pallets have been utilised as fuel, as were the offcuts from the impromptu installation of our new decking, which has made a huge difference to the stern deck. I just need to make sense of all the mess that's out there. Space being a premium, but a lot of that stuff needs to be condensed, but I'll get to that later. So we're warm and we're toasty, but we're trapped. But it's our wedding anniversary on the 30th, and if we can't get out of the other side on the 30th, then we'll do something locally. It's not really a problem. There are pubs and restaurants and supermarkets within a stone's throw, so we have everything we need. But one thing we do realise, and have started to realise on the boat, that we prefer to be moving. It's a small boat, but the longer we're in one place, the smaller she feels. All these bits we've done with the tables and the storage, they help. When we're moving, the space isn't as much of a problem. When we're stuck in one place and then the weather's bad, all of a sudden Badger reveals her true size, as it were. But we'll cope. Right, another short vlog just to keep everything updated as to what we're doing and the progress that we're making with the boat, but there's more to come, so I'll see you next time.